Hi everyone, I want to tell you about a great technology company which solves one of the world's biggest problems, especially at this time during the pandemic. It's a company I've been working with for the last 15 years. You'll know me as Alpesh Patel, the investment manager or the investment guru or the fund manager whose job it is to look for technology companies which are listed on the stock market. Well, I also work with private companies in my role for the UK government, which is very similar to my sort of investment fund management role in my own capacity, in that I look for outstanding companies and technologies with a view to helping them set up their global headquarters in the United Kingdom. That role within the Department for International Trade that I have in their Global Entrepreneur Program is their deal maker role. I've had it since 2005. And one of the companies that I brought to the United Kingdom, I'm really proud of, is this NASA-based technology Air Purification company. They help remove bacteria and viruses and odors and all sorts of other things and pollutants out of the air. Well, until 2020 started, we thought, yeah, plod along. Now, of course, as you can imagine, sales have gone through the roof for them. It's a NASA-based technology. That's what I'm really proud of. They took the technology from the space shuttle, okay, and then they've miniaturized it for homes and cars. I feel like one of those salespeople on those 24-hour channels, okay, and I don't mind because it's a phenomenal technology that they use. They've also got a larger version for warehouses and the like. The founder, Jay Vitale of Air for Life, he's actually in Thailand at the moment doing export deals through our British embassy as well. And that's the great thing about companies relocating to the United Kingdom, setting up their global headquarters here as part of the Global Entrepreneur Program. What my role is as a deal maker is to find those technologies from around the world, find the entrepreneurs, get them to set up their global headquarters here, have the entrepreneur here as well, and from here, go global export around the world with the help of our embassies, our consulates. And that's exactly what this company does. They've won numerous awards. You'll be able to see them on there. Let me just show you the technology. Okay, look how small this one is. This is just the room version. There's a car version. There's a bigger home version. And like I said, I should be on those home shopping channels. And it's phenomenal. I just love the design of it because it's all very, very sleek. It's small and and does the job, right? No, but the reason I'm saying it is not just to get you to buy. I mean, they sell in thousands, hundreds of thousands, actually, the quantities of all their various products. The reason is I want to say to you is global technology companies who solve the world's biggest problems and the most outstanding entrepreneurs are setting up their global headquarters in the United Kingdom. The reason they're doing it, the reasons I get given are these: ease of doing business. Okay, it's the fifth largest market in the world, right? It sits between the large market of the United States and Europe. So you've got two of the biggest markets in the world geographically located next to each other. And as I said, the UK itself being so huge, and with the help of our embassies and all our consulates around the world, the ability to export and have those warm leads, warm introductions to be able to do that. We want more companies like this in Britain for a variety of reasons. First of all, guess what? They bring their profits back to the UK. They pay taxes here. They create jobs here. And in the case of Air for Life, they manufacture here as well. They've moved so much of their manufacturing to the UK. Now, of course, some of it's in other parts of the world. Logistically, if you're going to sell into faraway countries, you might want to have some manufacturing plants abroad as well. Of course you would. You're not just going to use air freight all the time. But a great example of a phenomenal company. There's a whole bunch of others who I'm going to showcase that I've been working with in the Global Entrepreneur Program as well, who are making the world a better place and give you the reasons why they're setting up their global headquarters in the United Kingdom. So to Jay Vitale of Air for Life, well done. Congratulations. You're making Britain proud. I hope to see this company as a billion-dollar company on the London Stock Exchange. It's technology companies like this which are going to make the world a better place. Thank you, Jay.